You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An animal name? A word from Latin meaning 100 feet, centi, which is Latin for 100, and then pede, which is Latin for feet. This is a predatory arthropod. Centipedes, centipedes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.